Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you about an amazing AI tool that you can use to enhance your animated images. You can generate and edit movies using this tool, and the best thing about this tool is you can turn your images into videos just with some text. So now let's see what is this video and what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and let's also talk about the pricing. So let's dive into the video. So the tool is Genmo. So go to your search engine and in the search bar enter alpha.genmo.ai. So as you can see here, fantastical video generation, go beyond 2D. Yes, you can create 3D images using this tool, create videos from text with AI. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see the type of images that you can generate using this tool. So they are super cool, right? So now let's create a video. And now here you have to sign up. So let's sign in with Google. And now here in the right corner, you can see my account. Here they are saying that I have 100 credits. So now let's get started. And now you will come to this editing dashboard. Here they are saying step 1 as create the first frame of your video. So you have 3 options. Either you can search, you can create, or you can upload. So let's try all these 3 options. First, let's go to search. And here I will enter a portrait of a girl. And let's search. So I haven't described the girl, what kind of girl that I want. However, they have given us these beautiful portraits of girls. So they have provided us a lot of portraits of girls. So here I will enter a modern girl. So now let's search again. Okay, now I can see some modern pictures here. So if I move my cursor to image, you can see the description. A close-up portrait of a woman with a blonde bob with bangs in the style of Edward Hopper. Very fine brush strokes. So as you can see here, you can describe the image you want. The more descriptive it is, the more accurate the image you get. So now let's go to the second option, create. So here I will enter something like a dancing ballerina in whirling blue smoke. So I'm using this as it is. So let's enter a dancing ballerina. So now here you can select the size of your image. You can either get vertical, square type or horizontal type. So now let's generate image. So now they have given us this beautiful image of a dancing ballerina, but am I the only one seeing this? Weird. Look at this hand. So as you can see here, the quality of the images that you get from this tool is not as good as the tools like Midjourney or Leonardo. However, they are mainly focusing on using this tool to turn our images into videos just with some text. So in that case, we can upload our own images. You can generate images in Midjourney, Leonardo, or you can download them in tools in websites like Freepik, and then you can upload it to here, and then you can go along. So now let's upload our image. So now we come to the step 2, refine the story of your video. So they have described our image as caption 1, a green tree with swirls on it. So what are the things that you should exclude when generating the image? Blurry, ugly, deformed, things like that, low resolution. And here, now all you have to do is, you have to add captions to tell a story. So now let's add caption. And here, I will say, turn this tree into a fairy lights. So if you want, you can add another caption. Step by step, you can add captions. You can describe your story, and then this tool automatically generates the story for you. So if you scroll down, you can see there are some other settings here. There are a few customized options. You can change the length, you can change the exploration, you can change the dynamism, you can change the smoothness. So now as you can see here, they have converted my image into some swirl fairy lights. So if you want something different than this, then you have to describe it to them word by word. So now after generating your image, you have 2 options, make a new video, or you can remix this video, which means you can continue to tell your story. So let's go to remix this video. And now you are in caption 2. So now let's add another caption. Here let's say, falling leaves from the tree. I don't know how it works, so just let's try it. So now as you can see here, they have given us some illustration of falling leaves from the tree. So if you scroll down, you can download this video, or either if you click on this video, then you will come to this kind of dashboard, and here you can either share your video or download this video. So now you know what are the things that you can do using this tool. So now let's talk about the pricing of this tool. So if you go to pricing, here there are two options, free option and premium option. The free option is for hobbies. Like if you're doing this for fun, then the free option is for you. You will get 100 daily credits and watermark, and you will get CC license. You know what is CC license? And then there's the premium option. This is super cheap than many other softwares, just $10 per month. You will get 1000 daily credits, access to Genmo app, watermark free generation, and priority access to new models. So that's all about pricing. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this tool. And now when talking about the advantages of this tool is high quality resolutions. You can generate images up to 4K quality, variety of styles. You can generate photorealistic, cartoon styles, abstract styles, and lot different styles, variety of objects and scenes. Easy to use, you see it yourself, the interface is very user friendly. And for disadvantages, this tool is still under development. Sometimes you will get not so good images. You can remember that ballerina image that we got, that is really weird. So sometimes you can get not so accurate images, and this can be slow. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to generate images, and this is not free. Not free is a disadvantage. So now I hope this video helped you. If you want to learn more about this kind of fun, cool AI tools, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.